Home Remedies presents
Grandma hasn't been sick for 30 years. Intestine and liver clean. Prescription for all diseases. Today I will share with you a natural remedy that is so incredible to use, easy to make. It will keep your intestine and liver clean. I will say it is a prescription for all diseases. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Ingredients: pumpkin seeds 2 tablespoons, peanuts 50 grams, walnuts 5 pieces, apple 1 green, figs 3, dates 3, milk 200 ml. Directions: wash and chop the apples, dates and figs. Put all the ingredients in a blender along with pumpkin seeds and peanuts. Blend thoroughly. This will make 2 glasses. Your remedy is ready to be used. How to take it? Take 1 glass with each meal.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.